Hey guys, it's your boy Steve here, and today I have two packages for Osaka. That is Air small packet, and let's do it. It's time to open up right here. You see here, it says Air, Register Air small packet. This is what it says, and here we go. Ready? Time to open up this one. And yes, I'm so excited because I've been in Basel last August, and then let's open up right now. You'll see. Let's see if I can hold it here. Oh yeah, that's the exclusive of this. Another one, KK. But these are not least. I'm gonna open up this right now. Oh, there we go. Gotta be careful. Yes, I finally have this. I haven't bought this from Otoku.com because this one's very expensive. So that's why I finally have this. And yes, I have two books of this. Art books is one of my favorites of all time. So yeah, I hope I should coming back to Tokyo soon, and then that is the most greatest unboxing video I ever made. It was pretty good, and I'll review some books soon, maybe actually. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more unboxing video, click here, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!